Dear students, we have completed the explanation of chapter lesson 7, that is your animals around us. We have also done the question answer. Today we are going to complete our exercise. So we'll start our exercise with fill in the blank. So our first exercise is your fill in the blanks. In fill in the blanks, you will also try to answer the questions. Your first one is, our first fill up is, it is given, squirrel uses its tail too. We all know that animals uses their tails in different way. So how squirrel uses their tail? They uses their tail. Your answer is to balance their body. Whenever a squirrel is sitting, what squirrel is doing? Squirrel is sitting with the help of tail. So the squirrel uses its tail to balance the body. Next one is, we have studied about different body shape. Okay, like long body, then we are having a compact body. So the body of jellyfish look like, we have seen a picture of jellyfish. So how does the body of jellyfish look like? The body of jellyfish looks like a parachute. How it is looking like? It is looking like a parachute. Now we are coming on to the third fill up. In our third fill up, we have it is given about the silk. Silk is obtained. We have read about different uses of animals. So we have read about the silk also. So from where your silk is obtained? Your silk is obtained from your silkworm. So silk is obtained from silkworm. Now our fourth fill up, in our fourth fill up, it is given camel is found in. So we all know where does a camel is found in? Camel is found in, your answer is desert. The camel is found in desert. Then in fifth one, in your fifth one, it is given snakes and rabbit. So where does snakes and rabbit lives? They lives in holes. So where does the snakes and rabbit lives? They lives in hole in the ground. Now we are coming on our next exercise, that is your match the following. In match the following, your first option, your first one is long body. So which animal is having long body? Just read out the other option, you can easily tell it. Is a cow having a long body, or a fish, or a bird? No, the answer is earthworm. Earthworm is having a long body. Second one. Second one is your hollow bones. Hollow bones means the bones which are empty from inside. Okay. So which animal has a hollow bone? The animal which flies have a hollow bone. So here the animal which fly is your birds. What you will write there? Bird. So who have a hollow bone? Bird have a hollow bone. Then coming on to the next one. And the third one is your flower shaped body. Which animal is having a flower shaped body? So is a cow having a flower shaped body? No. Is a fish? No. Your answer is your C. It's anemone. We have studied in the chapter, that is, it is your sea anemone. Then your fourth one, streamlined body. Which animal is having a streamlined body? We have studied about fish. Fish is having a streamlined body. So here your option is fish. And the last one. In the last one, it is your compact body. We have studied about the compact body. The animal which have 4 limbs have a compact body. So which animal from the options have 4 legs? Is it earthworm, fish, bird? No, the answer is your cow. So your cow have a compact body. So we are just revising it again. The first match is with earthworm, second match is with bird, that is hollow bone, third match flower shaped body is with your sea anemone, and streamlined body is with fish, and your last one compact body is with cow. Now I hope you might have done the exercise. Now what we'll do, we'll start with our next exercise. So your next exercise is true and false. Now the next exercise is your true and false. So we are reading our first statement. First statement is animal eat the same kind of food. So the animal eats same kind of food? No. Some animal eats plants, they are called herbivores. Some animal eats flesh, they are called carnivores. And some animals eat both your plants and animal, they are called as omnivores. So this statement is false. That means all the animal does not eat same kind of food. Then next one is dog uses its tail to express the emotion. So yes, the statement is true. Dog uses its tail to express the emotion. Then your next statement, third one. Crocodile are land animal. So is a crocodile a land animal? No. We have seen that sometimes crocodile lives in water and sometimes the crocodile lives in land, lives on land. So this statement is again false. Coming on to the fourth one, that is last one. It is ostrich is the biggest animal on the earth. So is ostrich the biggest animal on the earth? No, there are many animals bigger than ostrich. That is your African elephant, blue whale. These are all the biggest animal on the earth. So this statement is again false. So here your first one is the false. Second one, that dog uses its tails to express emotion, it is true. Third statement, crocodile are land animal, is false. And ostrich is the biggest animal on the earth, it is again false. Now we are going to do our next exercise, that is your missing letters. So in missing letters, let me write the missing letters. Missing letter in the first one, your H is already given. Then you are having 3 dashes. Then you are having R here. Then you are having I, V, O. Then again a dash and E, S. So your here statement is cows and goats are. So cows and goats are eating grass or plants. So which kind of animal they are? It will come here. It is herbivores. So please write the letters in the word here. E, R, B, I, V, O, R, E, S. That is your herbivores. Coming on to the next one. In your next fill up, the words given is C, A, then again you are having a dash, then an, N, then again a dash, 3 dash, then you are having R and again 2 dash. So the animals like lion and tigers. So lion and tiger, your lion and tiger eats flesh. So these animals are under the category of carnivores. So here it is carnivores. So they are carnivores. Now we are coming on to the next one. The next one is your third one. So in the third one, let me write the words. The first word given is your O, then again a dash, then N, again a dash, then you are having V, then you are having two dash, then again it is given E and a dash. So here the statement is bear and duck. Bear and duck are which kind of animal? Bear eat both plants also and the animals also. So such animals are called as omnivores. So here in the blank you will write M-N-I-V-O-R-E-S. Please write out the spelling. It is omnivores. O-M-N-I-V-O-R-E-S. Now we are coming on to the last one. And last one, your words given is first word S, it is given. Then you are having three dash. Then it is given as E, N, and here it is again you are having 4 dash. So here the animals which are given in this categories are hyenas and foxes. So hyenas and foxes always eat the dead animals. So the category which eat the dead animals are called as the scavengers. So here the word which is going to come is your scavengers. Here we will write S-C-A-V-E-N-G-E-R-S. So your first word was herbivores. I am reading it out. H-E-R-B-I-V-O-R-E-S, herbivores. Second one is your carnivores. C-A-R-N-I-V-O-R-E-S, carnivores. Third one is your omnivores. O-M-N-I-V-O-R-E-S, omnivores. And the last one is your scavengers. It is S-C-A-V-E-N-G-E-R-S. So students, here we are completing our exercise. I hope you also might have completed the exercise in the book. Thank you.